Craig Dunn Motor City is a GM car dealership in Portage-la-Prairie, Manitoba. We sell cars, we service cars, and we repair cars that were in a collision, and we sell a lot of parts as well. We don't want to just be good here. We've always wanted to be great, exceed the expectations of a customer. The reason we decided to go digital is obviously things are continuing to change, and we're always looking for ways to improve how we operate.
Products come out all the time, and you're kind of thinking, yeah, this will help us a bit, but how much more will it help us? But when you get to 100%, when every vehicle's been bang on, it's hard to argue, hard to change back.
Our cycle time has definitely been improved by using Sikkens. They have a lot of fantastic products.
For the estimates, using the camera is a huge deal because it's just preparation, right? Cycle times are a lot lower when you know what you need before the vehicle's actually here to be worked on.
We see a lot of faster flash times, colors that match easier, that only require 1 to 2 coats of paint to cover properly. Those are huge, huge things for us that allow us to fix a car quicker and ultimately exceed our customers' expectations.
There's always a bit of friction with change when you're used to doing things a certain way and you feel like it can't be better. But after a couple of weeks of using the camera especially, there's no going back, and everyone can agree on that.
AkzoNobel's A-Code selected performance groups have been fantastic for our business. They allow us to sit in a room with a bunch of like-minded people that are forward thinkers, that are changers, and ultimately it allows us to share ideas.
I like to see shops constantly growing and constantly learning, and that's kind of the only way you're going to compete, right? So,
customers want their car back. They don't want their car tied up in a shop for weeks at an end. And so we're very confident using this product. It allows us to get a repair done properly, back to pre-accident condition quicker using Sikkens.